What's going on, y'all? This is Q Ortiz, your local San Diego massage therapist, musician, and artist. And today, I want to show the process of using the vinyl cutter, the heat press, painting, and see what we come up with. All right. So in this video, I'm basically showing how I'm taking a text, typing it out in the Silhouette Studio software for the Cameo 4. This is to design basically a cutting of vinyl. Now, as I'm sizing here, I'm making sure I know what size the fabric is that I'm going to press on, so I can just change the size of the words. Then I'll reorganize them just to be economical with the vinyl. You see it says fun, fun, fun. I'm making this for a family member, and it's one of those things that they say all the time. So I just wanted to make it fun and be creative at the same time, because I actually showed them this process with another project and they don't know that I'm making it for them. So I think it'll be a nice experience for them to just boom, open the mail and see that it's there, and it's for their birthday, so that's cool. So if you're interested in these kind of things, just let me know and I can make more of these. Either way, I'll be recording my process, because now I'm finding a better way to at least capture the process and I can still be in my zone while I'm doing it, as opposed to just focusing on this recording process. Okay, so now, yeah, it's unfortunate because I I didn't realize how the zoom settings were when I was sharing the screen. So it made it where the little box in the corner where you see me, that's where it was showing me doing the cutting. And in this process, I'm sending the cutting project to the Cameo 4. With that, I loaded the vinyl into the machine already, and then I just sent it there. It cut it out, and we'll see. Yeah, I just zoomed into that little box there. I know the quality is not the best. For future projects, I'll plan to adjust the settings better, but I think for what this is, that was pretty good that I was able to make this happen. Because yeah, I thought that I completely missed this process when I checked the settings, but it turns out that I didn't, and I am happy that I have something something to show for the end result. And also, so you can see, for those of you who haven't worked with cutting vinyl and just the cool factor about it, where you can have this cutting machine and just make things. You can make shirts, you can make whatever. Those are the rich right faces I got from SupaColor. yeah, very happy with those. I could just slap them on anything, just tag the backs of things. Fun. Little rich right face, and then we're ready to paint. The videos. So I did this fabric, right? And then added the little boom, little tag. It started off just like that, just a white sheet. I just wanted to show you the process of this, and yeah, maybe you're inspired to do it. Maybe, yeah, if you're interested in something like this, let me know, and I can, yeah, just have fun with it also, and press it up. see how that goes. So if you like this video, click like. If you have any questions or any comments, drop a comment below. And if you want to continue on this journey with me, click subscribe and we can vibe. Peace out.